Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add audio to a video in Canva. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your Canva on your browser and select the video option in the template type. Because of it, Canva will show you all of the templates regarding videos. And now select the canvas size and then select the template from the left side menu. If you tap on the play button, you can see the video is playing. Now, on the left side menu, scroll down a bit until you see apps. Just tap on apps option and scroll down to see the audio option. Usually the audio option is available on the left side menu above the apps, but if you can't see it there, then it must be in the app section. So so after that, after clicking on audio, simply select any track you want to add. I kind of like the first one. Now to play them, just tap on their image on the left side. After you have chosen the audio track, simply click on the text to add in the video. Now make sure to keep in mind that your seek slider of the video is at the starting point so that the audio is set at the starting. And after adding your audio, you can select which part of it you want in your video, and that's it. That's how you can add audio to a video in Canva. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.